Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and hands-on breakdowns of the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the best glitter glue set assorted colors. Elmer's Liquid Glitter Glue, a vibrant trio of 6 ounces bottles in blue, pink, and purple. Whether you're crafting with kids, jazzing up a school project, or diving into your own creative hobbies, this is a product worth paying attention to. Let's start by talking about what makes this glitter glue stand out. Elmer's is a brand that's been trusted by teachers and parents alike for decades, and this particular product is a fan favorite for a reason. You're getting 3 full-size bottles, not the tiny craft store vials. These are generous 6-ounce bottles. That's more than enough glitter glue to fuel multiple projects without worrying about running out mid-creation. One of the highlights of this glitter glue is how rich and vibrant the colors are. The blue is deep and oceanic, the pink is bright and playful, and the purple has that perfect magical touch. The glitter inside each color is evenly distributed, so you don't get those annoying clumps or uneven patches. It dries with a beautiful shimmer, catching the light in just the right way to bring your projects to life. Now, let's talk about performance. This glue is designed to be no run and no drip, which is especially helpful when younger kids are using it. The formula gives just the right consistency, not too thick that it's hard to spread, but not too watery that it bleeds everywhere. It's flexible when it dries, meaning your art pieces won't crack or flake apart over time. That flexibility is key if you're making glitter slime or working on 3D crafts like cards, posters, or decorations. And speaking of slime, yes, this is one of the go-to ingredients for DIY glitter slime. Mix it with Elmer's magical liquid or your own slime activator, and you'll get a slime that's not only satisfyingly stretchy but also full of sparkle. It's a hit with kids and a favorite for slime-making YouTubers for good reason. Safety is another big win for this product. It's completely non-toxic and washable. That means less stress for parents and teachers when kids inevitably get it on their clothes or furniture. It washes out easily with soap and water, which makes cleanup a breeze. Shipping-wise, even if you're ordering from outside the US, like India, this product is available with international shipping. The cost includes import charges, and it's shipped directly from Amazon, so you know it's coming from a reliable source. Delivery is usually prompt and the packaging is secure, so the glue arrives intact and ready to use. To wrap things up, the Elmer's Liquid Glitter Glue set is more than just glitter and glue. It's a creativity booster, a classroom staple, and a go-to product for DIY lovers of all ages. It combines vibrant color, easy usability, and safe ingredients into one awesome package. If you're looking to add sparkle to your projects, this is a must-have. Hit the link in the description if you want to check it out or grab a set for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've used this glue and have a project you're proud of. We'd love to see it. This is Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video with more hands-on reviews. Keep crafting, keep building, and stay creative.